Aave has without a doubt evolved into a true market leader in decentralized finance, recognized for its wide area of assets, conservative liquidation and collateral system, as well as decentralized governance. Aave has reached this position by continuously implementing risk management and other feature improvements. As a non-custodial liquidity protocol governed by the Aave DAO, Aave has more than 450,000 token holders who can participate in governance, deciding on all proposed changes to the protocol. The Aave Protocol has reached an average of 50% market share thanks to Aave's continued innovation, increased brand awareness, and the committed participation of its community. Aave is a decentralized cryptocurrency platform that allows users to borrow and lend crypto. Aave uses smart contracts to automate the process with preset rules on how funds are distributed, how collateral is handled, and how fees are assessed. Aave also offers a native crypto token with the ticker AAVE that can be traded on most exchanges or staked on the Aave platform in order to earn interest. But in today's video, I want to give you a deeper dive into Aave's latest news and why I believe that you and I can remain optimistic in 2024 and way beyond. Furthermore, we're going to look at some price predictions ranging from 2024 to 2025, and I will also give my own price prediction. And just in case you're new to crypto, well then let me start off with the obvious. The future of finance is being built right in front of our eyes and is being built on the blockchain. And from my point of view, it's being built on Ethereum. Trust me when I say now is the time to educate yourself. Now is the time to identify the market leaders of tomorrow and pick them up at 50 to 80% from the previous all-time high. We don't have much time. So do me a favor, please hit the like, subscribe to the channel, join the live streams when they are on so that you can become among the top 1%. My name is Nico Arachi and I am a real investor. The live Aave price today is trading at around $103 and the current coin market cap ranking is number 69 with a live market cap of almost 1.6 billion. However, still trading at 84% below its all-time high, which was recorded on May 19th, 2021. So this could potentially generate 538% return on investment if it's going to hit its previous all-time high. But remember, I said in the end, I will give my own price prediction that should be higher and able to generate more return. Aave utilizes smart contracts, which are automated programs that handle the borrowing process by calculating loan terms, managing collateral, and distributing borrowed cryptocurrency. So this eliminates the need for a third-party intermediary. For lenders, Aave allows them to deposit crypto and earn interest paid by borrowers. Now, instead of directly matching lenders and borrowers, Aave operates through liquidity pools where users deposit crypto assets that are then lent out to borrowers. Aave also offers flash loans, which must however be repaid within the same blockchain block. Now, these loans are used for arbitrage opportunities in the crypto market, providing quick access to capital without requiring collateral. Now let's hit some news. Aave Labs recently introduced Aave 2030, a vision for how the protocol can remain a pioneer in DeFi innovation. So first off, with the adaptation of CCIP, the concept of superchains, the version 4's unified liquidity layer feature, Aave can soon scale to become a fully cross-chain liquidity protocol. And this will allow borrowers to access instant liquidity across all supported blockchains. Second, Aave plans to innovate on real-world assets-based products built around the protocol's stablecoin GHO. Third, the Aave community is actively engaged in research with the Chainlink on Oracle solutions in order to fully automate interest rate adjustments and dynamically adjust risk parameters. And fourth, Aave also proposes to optimize the Aave visual mark in order to make it more modern and distinctive within and outside the DeFi space. Well, that's a real good point. We need everything within the crypto space to be more user-friendly and optimize the user experience. Aave Labs is enhancing the GHO stablecoin with a strategic plan for cross-chain functionality, aiming to improve its accessibility and utility across multiple blockchain networks. Now, following a successful community vote, the initiative will utilize Chainlink's cross-chain interoperability Protocol in order to ensure secure cross-chain activities. In result, Arbitrum won the vote for Aave Labs GHO stablecoin cross-chain deployment because Arbitrum stands out with its high throughput and compatibility with Ethereum. Other potential networks for GHO's initial deployment include Optimism for its low fees and fast transactions, Avalanche for scalability, and Metis for its developer-friendly environment. Furthermore, Aave welcomes Renzo Protocol and ETH expanding Ethereum lending horizon. Now, this decision made through the Snapshot governance platform aims to enhance Aave's efficiency and functionality on Ethereum. The integration of Renzo Protocol and ETH is expected to improve operational efficiency and introduce new features, making Aave's lending services more versatile and appealing. And this move will likely increase user engagement and liquidity on the platform. So you see, by adding Renzo Protocol and ETH, Aave demonstrates yet again its commitment to innovation and user-focused development as Ethereum's network evolves. And these integrations will obviously help Aave stay competitive and remain the market leader in decentralized finance. And finally, let's take a look at some future price predictions. And the first price prediction comes from Trading Beasts, and they believe we're going to see a high in 2024 of $144 and $191 in 2025. The second one comes from digitalcoin.com, and they predict that the price will hit 210 in 2024 and 247 in 2025. Now, the last price prediction comes from Wallet Investor, and they're seeing a high in 2024 of 158 and 293 in 2025. So before we end, I always like to give my 2 cents on the dollar. Now, Aave is the ultimate market leader, but I believe we haven't seen anything yet. You see, with the development, the evolution of the central bank digital currency that we are basically seeing being rolled out, or more than 95% of all central banks are either testing or in some kind of stage of developing their own central bank digital currency. Now, I'm a firm believer that the CBDC is going to be rolled out across the globe. And what that means is that we are going to not need traditional banks in order to provide lending. And we will just need a protocol like Aave. And I believe that Aave can become one of the ultimate global market leaders when it comes to decentralized lending. Therefore, my price prediction is within 2025 and let's say until 2030, somewhere between $1,500 to $2,000 per token. And that's all I got to say about that. Now, in case this video brought you any kind of value, do me a favor, hit like, smash, subscribe, and all them goodies. And before we end, remember, everything I say and do should not be considered financial advice, because in the end, I don't know about crypto. My name is Nico Arachi, and I am a real investor.